We are staying club level at the Beach Club Resort. I already have a vlog that I will link where we arrived. It was a surprise for Corey's birthday, and we did like a quick room tour. But this vlog is gonna be just basically sharing a little bit more about Concierge Lounge, a little bit more about the resort, and then we're headed to Stormalong Bay, the pool. Okay, so our room is a mess, obviously, but these swans were done by the housekeepers, or the mousekeepers, I should say, and they were on our bed when we came back. This one has like a heart, and this one had like wings. I will insert a photo because that was on our bed, and it was so cute.
Yep.
That was a really fun touch, and then I did want to share a little bit more about the Concierge Lounge. So there are specific times, and so our lounge is called the Stone Harbor Club, and so this is when you can visit that lounge here on the 5th level. There's coffee, and then the continental breakfast, light snacks during the day, hors d'oeuvres and beverages, which includes alcohol, in the evening, and then desserts at night. I mentioned it in our other vlog, but we are in a corner room, so it's a little different where we have like this giant hallway.
I think that's really the only different part is the long hallway.
Yeah, I feel like the bathroom might be like a little bit of a different layout or setup if it wasn't a corner. And then I guess the other difference is that we have this extremely long balcony, but I will include the view. Oh, there we go. We're getting major fog on this. One moment. Okay, I tried to clear the fog on my camera lens, but I don't know if I was super successful. Yeah, there it's fogging again. But just to show on this this video, the view is Stormalong Bay.
Yeah, it's really humid.
It's humid. Okay, we'll be out there in a little bit, and I do have a video of Stormalong Bay when we stayed at Yacht Club, which is right there, that resort. When we stayed there, I have a video of our pool day, but I forgot the GoPro that day, and so I said if we ever come back, I will bring my GoPro and I will do the slide and bring the GoPro in the lazy river in the pool because there's a sand bottom, and so I brought my GoPro. So we will we'll get to show that on a vlog. I'm gonna take us into the Stone Harbor Concierge Lounge, but it's a little noisy in there, so I don't know if I'll be able to do audio with my like voice or if I'll put some music over it because there's just a lot of people and it's busy at breakfast time. Here is the concierge desks and these cast members. Hello, good morning! These cast members can help you with just about anything. Dining reservations, I mean, just anything you need. You can go ask them questions, and it's just personalized service for guests that are staying here on concierge level. Okay, so here is the menu for Stone Harbor, and it changes daily. So, like for breakfast, you'll see that there's a frittata, crepes, oatmeal, and that changes daily. They rotate out different food, and then the hors d'oeuvres, which is really cool. They always have something for the kids. So like the other day they had hot dogs, then we checked back the other day they had chicken nuggets, and then they always have special desserts. So I did show this in the last vlog, but okay, it's actually not as busy as I thought it was gonna be. It was so busy in here the other day. So unlimited pog juice. If you don't know what pog juice is, it's passion fruit, orange, and guava. It is the best. It is amazing. We've got like milk over here for cereal and everything. Unlimited pop. So we've got like some pastries. There's that oatmeal that was on the menu. Oh, those are the crepes. That is awesome. Yogurt and fruit. Oh yeah, here's the goods. Oh wait, all of the Mickey ice cream sandwiches are gone, but there's the Olaf bars up there. So hopefully they'll replenish that. And I did get one the other day. I'll put a picture in. Yep, I took advantage of that. So here's like some breads, bagels and stuff. And then in the evening hors d'oeuvres, this is the bar where a cast member will serve your beer and wine from. We've got that frittata over here. And then here's just a look at the lounge area, the seating. So they do have a little kids section there. The only thing that we would say is it's very tight in here. It can be, it's small. There's coffee, tea, Nespresso. So it seems like they have a ton of seating, great seating right now. But when you come at like a rush, like a breakfast rush or a like hors d'oeuvre rush, there was one time when we had a hard time finding a seat. So it does get a little busy at the peak times, but like right now, it's actually perfect. Okay, so you didn't see it, but we actually took a little break. Went to Disney Springs for a little bit. We're back, and I wanted to show the lobby, and then we're headed to the pool. So this is the lobby here at Beach Club. It smells amazing, and these of course are real. The beautiful flower arrangement. Yeah, it's just, you know, very beachy vibes, coastal vibes. You know, you'll see lots of like seahorses and seashells and starfish.
Yeah, I like the big rug. It's pretty.
Yeah, all of the beach vibes. So over there is the Cape May Cafe. So that is one restaurant we've eaten there. It's a buffet. The characters will be coming back very soon for breakfast only. There's the check-in desk over there. We've got lots of places to sit and hang out. And then let's go check out the store. So these are the elevators that we would take to our room where we stayed up on the 5th floor. But if you walk in here, this is where they have like the grab and go food, and they have
Their merch,
snacks, and then the store. So they have all of the beach club specific.
so these are always
merchandise.
cute. It's like the beaches and cream stuff.
Yes, they got really cute clothes. This is actually super adorable. Like, that's like a little ice cream cup, and those are mugs. Corey has his eye on something over here. It's the Vineyard Vines.
Pretty cool.
Now, that exact logo I have on a hat, which I brought to wear to the pool, so I'll show, but I really like it. And then there's just some beach club merchandise that you can get. There's a little to-go mug. And then they have like the 50th, some 50th stuff. Oh, is it a print?
So here's the bigger version of it.
That's so cool. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
With the shipwreck slide. So I will show actually the food part as well. So you can come in here and get your coffee. You can do your refillable mugs and get pop. You can get to-go food, things like that. So this is the market. So all this stuff. And that's refill station. And then they also have things that if you need to buy, like there's like Lunchables and frozen food, some dry food like chips and things, and then quick service stuff, or more of just, I guess it's kind of quick servicey, kind of more to-go-y. Get alcohol, drinks, and essentials. If you forget anything, yes, it'll probably be priced up, but if you need sunscreen or toiletries, but yes, that is going to be where you'd come to get food and merchandise and all of that good stuff. Outfit change.
Outfit change.
We're in our swimsuits. And here's the hat I was talking about. That is that same patch.
It's a nice hat. I like that one on you.
So we're walking to the pool. But here is the Cape May that I was mentioning. So yeah, they must have just finished up breakfast. And they'll be back open again for dinner. And now we are walking to Stormalong Bay. You ready for some pool time?
Ready. It looks like a lot of fun. It actually doesn't look too busy.
Doesn't look busy.
So
here's the Beaches and Cream to-go window. It's open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So if you want some ice cream. And then next door is the Beaches and Cream soda shop, which requires advanced reservations. But we have a couple vlogs on that, but it's basically grilled cheese, burgers, like diner, soda shop food. I'm excited.
Into one of our favorite pools.
Yeah.
Property. We love it.
I've probably mentioned it before, but it has a sand bottom. And here's where you get wristbanded. This pool is only for resort guests. Right when you walk into the pool area, here's one hot tub. It's hidden, which is super fun. And then here is the other hot tub. Obviously, you might not want to do the hot tub when it's
That's why no one's in it.
extremely hot out, but at nighttime it's really fun. They do have lockers here that you can store your belongings in if you need.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it looks so fun.
So much fun. Guys, it's really hot today, and it's not too bad in terms of crowded here. Like
Yeah, so far it doesn't
there's
seem.
open seats and
Open
stuff.
chairs. We've got like the volleyball, kind of, I guess it's volleyball. It's like a noodle net. That looks fun. We're gonna go over the bridge and try to get a closer seat to the lazy river because that's what we want to do. Hey Corey,
What?
where was our room?
Huh?
Where was our room?
So see this one right here with that extended patio? That was our room.
Where?
Right here on the corner. Do you see that extended patio?
Yeah, that was us?
That's us, yeah.
That was our room. Hey room.
Yeah.
And it's so nice because the lazy river, you get those tubes or those inflatable seats, which just make it super relaxing and super nice and comfortable. So I really like that. But all right, we're gonna find a seat and get settled. We're kind of walking around the whole thing, so I'm just gonna show Hurricane Hannah's while we're here. This is the pool bar. They have the pool bar over here and then some seating over there. You can get some grab and go food, and then obviously you can get cocktails, drinks, refreshments, all of that over at Hannah's. Okay, these two have our name on it. Is this where we sat last time?
Yeah, one of these rows.
I think we sat like right here.
You guys have these two here? Or we don't? Okay.
So yeah, we're right in front of the lazy river. We'll camp out here. Okay, we got the GoPro and Corey's on tube patrol. Good find.
Which one do you want? This one?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Either stinks. Okay, now I need to hop up in this thing.
Yeah, this is nice.
It's recording.
I don't think the current is.
Oh my god.
Strong.
This is nice.
I don't think the current is.
Yeah.
Strong.
There she is.
Yeah, like this is right.
I'm losing you.
Oh no, I'm trying.
It is a lot more full.
I'm losing you. Alright, now we can float
Yeah, this is nice.
and relax. This is the only Disney resort that has a lazy river.
It is, huh?
Okay, we just left the lazy river. This is where the kids like because they just play in the sand. They have, okay, walk in the sand, walk in the sand. Actually, that's hot on your feet too. Ah, my feet are hot. We're walking to the slide.
A little bus going.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, shipwreck slide, here we go. And there's the boardwalk. Oh my gosh, my feet are so hot. I'm running. Okay, Corey took a break. I'm gonna take a break. You can actually drive the ship right there. There he is. Hello. What about where it like is a waterfall on your head?
That got me.
I forgot about that.
That was fast. I was going fast through that straightaway.
Yeah, it was fun.
That was cool. Yeah.